Welcome to Seasons blog, Earning Yield on Seasons, a step-by-step guide. Delivering simple, sustainable yield. That's what Seasons is about. No complex strategies. No need to constantly monitor and move tokens around. No prior expertise in DeFi needed. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can start earning yield on Seasons with additional resources. What you need? A Solana wallet, like Phantom or Solflare. 10,000 Seas tokens or more. What you don't need? Trading experience, market timing skills, complex DeFi knowledge, constant platform monitoring, getting Seas tokens. Step number 1. You have multiple ways to get Seas. 1. You can visit seasons.wtf and click on Get Seas. This will take you to Jupiter, where you can buy Seas. See below. The official Seasons website showing the Get Seas button. Or you can go to Jupiter directly and get Seas there. Once you're on Jupiter, click on one of the Connect buttons to connect your Solana wallet, Phantom or Solflare. Seas token page on Jupiter Exchange with Wallet Connect buttons. After connecting your wallet, you can select the token you want to buy Seas with, SOL or stablecoins like USDC or USDT, using the drop-down button. Calculate the amount of SOL or USDC/USDT you'll need to get 10,000 plus Seas based on the current price.